In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact in this device. So at first you need to open your contact list, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Andrew. Tap on Edit then, and now click on camera icon in the middle of the screen. And now you can either take a new profile picture or add one from your gallery, it's up to you. And I will pick my gallery to do it. Tap on Allow, and now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. Then customize it as only you want to. Tap on Done and click on Save. That's it, the operation is finished, and as you can see from now on, this picture is assigned to Andrew. So now you know how to add profile picture to your contact. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.